In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Kotlin on Ubuntu Linux operating system. So let's open the terminal. Then first command there I'm going to use sudo apt update. So this is for updating the Ubuntu Linux operating system. This term. The next is here. Let's install snap. So writing there sudo apt install snap t. So this is now a snapd is installing inside the Ubuntu machine. Now this terminal. Thereafter, if I write there Java minus minus version, then you can see latest version of Java 24 that installed. So after installing the Java, here let's install the Kotlin. So here using sudo snap, thereafter install Kotlin, then write there minus minus classic. So downloading the snap code from channel stable. So this is now downloading the Kotlin. Insert the Windows machine. For this, net must be connected. Here you can see this is the percentage. This is the speed. See Kotlin 2.2 version that install. And here let's use the clear command. Thereafter, if I write there Kotlin minus version. From there, you can also get Kotlin version this install. And Jerry here 24 with Jerry 24.